Naija Barbie. I'm back today with another video. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much. If you're a returning guest, thank you so much for all of your love and support. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you find this content valuable. And if you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so I know that you want more content like this. So today we've got this dirty rice video for you guys today, and it's for a crowd. If you want to have a major party and you still want to have vegan options, this is a great recipe. This is a recipe we make for our weekly ballroom dance classes, and people seem to really like it. We've had requests to film the recipe, so that's what we have for you today. Today, you all have the privilege of seeing my fiance actually cook in the kitchen. He tends to make most of the recipes on our Thursday night classes. So he's in the kitchen today preparing our dirty rice Cajun style for a crowd. Hope you guys like it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you do. Thanks so much for your support. Bye guys. All the ingredients are listed here, and they're also listed below in the description box for your convenience. It is best to go ahead and prep all of your veggies and your meat ahead of time. Here's a good visual look at everything they're going to use for the recipe. So everything's already chopped up and all the seasons are already laid out. Our mise en place is ready. So this makes it so much easier because you get to just dump and go. Once your mise en place is set up, rinse and drain your rice until the water runs clear. We make 8 cups of rice between 2 pots. If you have a pot large enough, feel free to make it in 1. We add a tablespoon of the Better Than Bouillon vegetable paste and 2 bay leaves to create a broth. And then we pour the rice in. So we do this between 2 pots because we don't have a pot quite large enough to fit all of that rice into 1 pot. In another small pot, add 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of the Better Than Bouillon paste, creating a vegetable stock that we're going to use for our meatless mixture in a sec. While the rice is cooking, let's heat up the beefless ground beef as well as the field roast sausages. Once they're heated through, we'll begin adding in the diced vegetables and mix. Once the veggie meat mixture is well mixed, add the pot of heated veggie stock to the meatless mixture. Now here's the best part, time to season it up. So we start off with some minced garlic, some granulated garlic powder, some dried thyme, and again, the proportions are down below in the description box. Old Bay seasoning, Tony Chachere Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and we use 2 kinds of black pepper. We use the cracked and the ground. And then we mix. Now let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So now your rice should be finished. Discard the bay leaves and start to put it in your presentation tray. And that's it, guys. Add the rice, add the meatless mixture, mix it up, and you're ready to go. There's my baby mixing it all up. He's so cute. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend, the talent, my baby. I love you so much. Thanks guys, hope you liked this video, and if you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. See you next week.